Hello guys, welcome to another episode of Cyber Wraps. And in today's episode, we're going to be diving into one of the most in-demand fields in tech, and that is cybersecurity. So whether you're a beginner or someone that is in one of these teams, such as the purple team, the red team, or the blue team, I'm going to be breaking down the top skills you need in order to succeed in cybersecurity generally. And don't worry, I'm going to be sharing some free resources, courses, and certifications you need to help you get started in this journey. So let's go. So first things first, what's cybersecurity? We all know it as the practice of protecting systems, networks, and data from digital attacks. And with cyber threat on the rise, companies are scrambling to hire skilled professionals to protect their digital assets. And that's what makes it very lucrative. And you'll be asking, where do I start from? Well, these are the must-have skills. So this is for those that broke into tech from a whole different field, such as law, medicine, and the rest. Or for those that are already in tech but didn't study cybersecurity in schools and have no clue about it. So it is good you know the foundation or the basic knowledge of what you are getting into. And the best place to get that is in Coursera, Introduction to Cybersecurity by Google. Or IBM also have theirs. It's good to check out the course and read the content in order to know what cybersecurity entails. If you check my previous video, you see that I shared some free courses and resources you can use for those entering into or breaking into cybersecurity. So after taking the course, you can test out your knowledge by taking the ISC Square exam certified in cybersecurity, and this raises your level a little bit. Second is networking. I've seen some people that try to become a hacker without getting to know the steps involved in it. Networking is a skill that everyone in tech is supposed to have generally, because everything in the digital world evolves around networking. And understanding how data flows across the network is fundamental in cybersecurity. So you need to know the basics of IP address, DNS, firewalls, and TCP/IP. So to kickstart your journey in networking, there's no better place to start than Cisco Networking Basics. So take out their course on the Networking Academy, and it's free and beginner friendly. Also, if you want to advance your skill, you can also take out the CompTIA Network Plus. Is a good way to validate your skills. Next is Linux. Most cybersecurity tools run on Linux, such as your Wireshark, your Bob Suite, Nmap, and so many of them. So knowing your way around the terminal in Linux is crucial, and it gives you an edge when applying for a job. So to get started, try Linux Journey. It is a free interactive platform to learn Linux. Next is programming. Now, I know some of you might not be happy or you're worried about it, because I've been seeing so many questions like, is programming or coding necessary for cybersecurity? Well, yes and no. Yes, in the sense that most fields in cybersecurity demand programming. Feel like penetration testing, stock analysis, ethical hacker, and the rest, you need knowledge of programming. Why I feel like GRC and the rest don't really need programming. And Python is a great language to start or begin with because of its dynamism and it's universal, and it's used for many purposes: to create web applications, to build tools, to automate tasks, and the rest, you can name them. So my advice is that you start with Python. If you are trying to learn Python, you can check out Python for Everybody on Coursera. I think it's free. You can also check out this book, Automate the Boring Stuff with Python. It's a great book that you can get on pdfdrive.com. Yes, it's a great book, and it gives you the knowledge on how to automate, your daily life, like automate the needs of your daily life rather. So the last but not the least is consistency and dedication. Cybersecurity is a field that's always evolving. New model, new threat arises each day. So you need to always stay updated, stay curious, and keep learning and practice regularly. So it's good you always set out time daily to perfect your skills. And there are platforms that can help you achieve that, such as Hack the Box. Try Hack Me is also there. We have Cybersecurity and Let's Defend. Yes, these are places whereby you can carry out hands-on practice on their lab and real-world scenarios. And also for certification, even though it's not the most important in cybersecurity because your skills matter most, but certification is also good. It validates your skills, as I said earlier. You can try out CompTIA Security Plus. It's a great way to, up your game. And also working towards that is kind of beginner friendly, and is highly respected. So you should also think about that. So there you have it. These are some of the top skills you need in order to succeed in cybersecurity. And it's not just about mastering it overnight. It's taking step-by-step measures in order to get better. And most importantly, stay consistent. Even if it's 5 to 10 minutes to bring out each day to learn something, is very good. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more cyber updates. And if you have a skill you are working towards, you can drop it in the comment section and I can help you with the resources you need. So thanks for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.